G'day guys, thanks for joining me today. In this video I'm going to be upgrading the rear lights and brake lights to the Autobeam LED upgrade. First thing we need to do is take off this screw at the top and this one at the bottom with a T25 Torx bit. Once they are out, you'll need to come around and into the boot, and you need to pull your carpet back because you need to get up and in there. I'll show you what you need to be grabbing because there's a little plastic, it's almost like a big plastic nut that you've got to unscrew. So I'll grab that out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And this is what it is. It's quite a deep thread, so you've got to really screw it off for a long time, but that's what it looks like. That's what you're reaching for. And now once that's out and those two screws are off, we should be able to grab the light and pull it off. So as you can see, once you've unscrewed it, you've got one little push clip in there and one push pin in there. They're the two things that you need to secure. And now once it's out, you just want to open this clip and pull your light apart. Looking at your light assembly from the back, you've got your normal light and brake light, your reverse light and your indicator. So we're just doing the rear unit at the moment. So you just literally twist it and pull it out. Now this is a bayonet pin, so if you saw that, you just got to push it down a little bit, give it a bit of a twist, and the whole unit will come out. And you can see there that you've got your two filaments for your normal driving light and your brake light. And now you can see the little gaps here where your little bayonet pins go. Again, push it in and give it a twist. And now you want to install this back in. It's very tight, but you can do it. And that's it, installed. So before I actually put it all back together, I'm going to plug it back in just to the connector and we'll get the lights on and we'll give it a try. So we'll just test the light now. I've plugged it back in with the electric cable. I haven't screwed it in. I've just pushed the clips back in. So have the light on. That's heaps brighter. You can actually see it in the daytime. I'll just go across to the other one, which you can barely see. And now the brake light. So you can see the brake light in the daytime. Then we come across to the Autobeam one, and it's a lot brighter. Okay, so now what's left to do? We'll screw these two screws in, and then we'll get back up under here and screw this back on just to secure the tail light. Put the carpet back, and then we'll do the same on the other side, and then that's it, job done. So here's the finished result. These are the Autobeam tail lights, finished and installed. They're the tail lights and the brake lights. Both working, both really bright. They're great. Great upgrade. These are the standard tail lights, not the brake lights, just the tail lights. So as you can see, you can barely see them in the daytime. Let's compare these to the Autobeams. These are the Autobeam upgraded rear lights. So you can see them a little bit better than what you could in the daytime with the standard ones. But at night these are really bright. We'll see some comparisons of that shortly. Standard brake lights in the daytime. These are the Autobeam brake lights in the daytime. So they're a lot brighter than the standard ones, as you can see right there. And they're a nice crisp red colour as well. So yeah, we'll cut to some nighttime comparisons. Standard rear lights, so these are just the normal lights, not the brake lights. Here's a night shot of the Autobeam upgraded tail lights. So these aren't the brake lights, these are just the tail lights. Nice and red, a lot brighter than standard. So they're great. The standard brake lights at night. These are with the upgraded Autobeam brake lights. They're really bright. They are really bright. They're awesome. So that's it. The installation's done. I did it about 2 weeks ago now. So I've lived with the lights in there for about 2 weeks. And yeah, pretty impressed. Really happy with the Autobeams with the LEDs. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you've got them and what you thought of them. But yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching.